Well, I'm gonna show you a few things on this. Can't find no videos on it. This is a 2015 Chevy Spark or a Nissan Sentra, same transmission, same everything. These are your solenoids right here. Okay, they pull out, but you got little pins on the other side. You gotta take this bottom of it off to get it off, because you got pins that slide down here. They're like tumblers, and they ride. They stick down in there where the solenoids are, and they keep them from coming out. But you'll see that they'll go down these little slots right here, like these, and that one. And I will show you all that when I put it back together. But I meant to show me taking it apart, but I just forgot. But anyway, there's no videos on this, so let me show you how I'm going to be changing the solenoid as soon as they come in. Okay, you're just going to slide your new solenoids out. They just slide right out. Unplug them right here, slide them out, put your new ones in. These are the old ones. They have these little slots in them. That's where that little pin sits in. Once you get your, it's real simple. Once you get your solenoids in here, like I said, they just pull out. Just pull them out. Put your new one in. See, this is a new one. Put them in. After you put all four of them in, unplug them before you pull them out, and then plug them in before you push them in, because the plug-in don't, it's a pain in the ass to do it. And I also put the pressure sensor in. It's real simple. Just pushes on here. Get one little bolt right there. All right, then after that, we're gonna flip this thing over. Keep your temperature sensor, which goes right here, right there. Temperature. It's Christmas time. I got notes in this. But anyway, you'll flip this over, and you're gonna go back behind it. This is simple. You got a little maze and everything. Don't worry about all that. You're gonna have your filter. You're gonna have one. Well, this one, and I didn't pull that one out. Anyway, you're gonna have a little filter here. You have a little one right there. One right there. Then you're gonna have a ball. You got an indentation where the balls go. It's very simple. Ball goes right here and right here. And then we're gonna put those little slots in with the for the solenoid. Okay. On these now, well, I don't put it in here, but your second one, the second one, see, this is your plug in here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Your second one is going to have a different, where that little pin rides. See how these are on the bottom? Well, this one are on the bottom. This one right here, the second one's going to be on the top. So that's the only difference. Make sure you put that one in the middle. The rest of them, just push in. Very simple. Push in. Make sure you plug it in, and then we'll switch it over, turn it over, and do the pins. And all right, this is where your pins are going to go. So look at this right here. Take a picture of this if you have to. There's your 2 pins on that one, and 2 pins on that one. And the filters are going to go in the little holes there in the balls. Like I said, it's self-explanatory, but I'll show you in just a second whenever I get to it here. Okay, it should look like this when you get that on. All your things in there for your solenoid, your filters, your 2 balls right there. Then we're going to get, so here, we're going to get this, put it on. Line everything up nice and neat. And then I'm gonna put the back on. Okay, should look like this when you're done. See, I kind of marked all my bolts that I needed, just to make it easier for me. So I didn't sit there and hunt which ones went where. So I just painted it there, so I knew you only got 2 different ones, one with a nut on each side there. But just pay attention when you take it off. We're gonna go put it in the car here in a minute. Okay, another thing, you will have to unplug your module. See it right there? Make sure you line it up with your, let's see if I can show you down here. You'll have a thing underneath here on your plug-in. See if I can get it here. Your plug-in will have a little notch on it. See that little notch on the bottom there? It'll notch up this plug-in. This plug plug in here. Then you'll have that little white thing. What I do is I just tap it around, and I'll show you just a second. Okay, that's it. So if you got a Spark or a Nissan Sentra and need some shift solenoids, you don't have to buy the whole valve body. You can just do the solenoids itself. Anyway, thanks for watching.